Students, today we will do chapter The Human Body. Hello everyone. Students, see what I have brought for you today.
Look at, I'm a friend Robo.
Oh Robo, can you walk?
Yes, I can walk. I'll show you.
See students, Robo is walking. And which part of the body is he using to walk? Yes, legs. As Robo is using legs for walking, in the same way, we humans also use our legs to walk. Robo, could you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Then show me your dance.
Let's do a robot dance. Music.
See students, Robo is dancing. He is using various parts of his body to dance like hands, legs, neck. In the same way, if we also have to dance, we also have to use our different body parts. Students,
Stop.
see, Robo is a machine. It is a machine and our human body is also like a machine. See, what is this? Yes, computer. It is a machine and made up of many parts like monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. As this computer is made up of so many parts, in the same way, our human body is also like a machine and made up of many parts. Let's see the different parts of our body. Hair, ear, neck, chest, stomach, leg, ankle, eye, nose, mouth, shoulder, fingers, arm, elbow, knee, toes. Toes are the fingers of the feet. Each part of the body has particular function like eyes help us to see, nose help us to smell, mouth help us to take food, ear help us to hear. So different parts of the body has different functions. Now if we want our body to be fit and healthy, our all body parts should function properly. So we should take care of our body so that it function properly and it is fit and healthy. Students, do you know we humans are also animals? But what makes us different from other animals? We can walk erect. We can use arms to lift objects. We can use opposing thumbs. Opposing thumbs means we can place our thumbs opposite to the fingers of the same hand. And due to these features, we are very much different from other animals. That is why human body is unique. Average height. The average eye height of male and female in humans is different. In males, it is 5 feet 7 inches to 5 feet 11 inches. And in female, it is 5 feet 2 inches to 5 feet 7 inches. Human body has many internal organs also. Internal means that is inside the body and under the skin. We can't see these organs from outside. In humans, you know how many internal organs are there? These are 22 in numbers like lungs, kidney, liver, intestine, heart and many more. Human body has many muscles also which allow human body to move, chew, eat. You will be surprised to know that human body has 600 muscles. Friends, when you were a baby, you had tiny hands, tiny feet. Slowly, as you grew older, everything became a bit bigger. So, you are getting bigger. It is due to the increase in the bone size. And you know how many bones are there in human body? There are 206 bones in an adult human body. But in a baby, these are 300 in numbers. As the baby grows, some bones fuse, and so the bone number reduced to 206. When we have to make a house, we start with brick. Many bricks put together to form wall. Walls put together to make a house. The human body is put together in a similar way. It starts with cells. Many cells join together to form tissues. Tissues join together to make organs, and many organs make organ system. So the smallest part of the human body is cells. Some of the cells in human body are brain cells, lung cells and bone cells. Same type of cells join together to form tissues. A group of brain cells is called brain tissue. A group of lung cells is called lung tissue. A group of bone cells is called bone tissue. Group of tissues that has to perform particular function form organs. So brain tissue join together to form brain, which is an organ. Lung tissues join to form lungs, which is also an organ. Bone tissues join to form bone, together to form bones. Now these organs join together to form organ system. So the smallest unit of human body is cells, and 100 trillion cells make a human body. So the cells join to form tissues, tissues join to form organs, and organ join to form organ system, and the various organ system join to form a human body.